Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the must-know shortcuts for Figma to save you time. Plus, I've created a free downloadable cheat sheet for you to use. The link is in the description. Let's go. This is the cheat sheet that I've created for you guys. Link is in the description so you can download and use as much as you want. So let's get started. I've broken up our sections into three: navigation and tools, editing and layout, and prototyping tips. Our first shortcut is zoom in or out. All you do is hold Command and use your mouse. It's as simple as that. The next one is pan, and this is space and drag. Hold your space bar and drag with your mouse. Our next shortcut is fit to screen, and that is shift and 1, and that will show you the exact frame that you're looking at in a perfect zoomed out way. Next is show rulers, which is shift R. I like to design with rulers as we can drag out and make sure that we've got the exact alignment that we want. If you wish to remove any of the rulers, you just hover over them, click so that the ruler turns blue, and press the back button. Now, if you wish to show your screen, maybe you want to present, but you don't want our side panels showing, as that can be quite confusing and create busy work, press Command and the line. And if you want it to reappear, press it again. Time to move on to shape and frame tools. Create a frame, simply hit the edit. This will bring up the different frames available to you. You can select a pre-selected frame, or if you just hold and drag with your mouse, you can draw yourself a frame. Let's do this. Click desktop. When in doubt, click the desktop frame. All right, now we can get into our shapes. Rectangle R. We can just pull out, and that will size to anything that you wish. Otherwise, alternatively, hold shift and pull out, and this will make sure it comes out in equal proportion. Next, we can do the line, which is L, and again, if you hold shift, does it equally. And just so we can see this a little bit better, I'm going to change that to 4. I also really like rounded edges, and black is very boring, so let's change it to a different color. Now we can use the ellipse tool, which is O, and this just creates an oval or a circle, depending if you hold shift or not. Please also note, if you wish to resize, you also need to hold shift to keep the same proportions. Now, if we want to create text, we can press the T key and type, and let's make that bigger. If you wish to use the slice tool, you press the S. If you want to use the pencil tool, hold shift and P, and then we can draw. If you press P, it creates the pen tool, and if you hit escape, it takes it away. All right, let's move on to our next topic, being editing and layout. So let's start with some edit shortcuts. Our first tool is copy. You're going to press Command and C, and that has made a copy. If you wish to see the copy, press Command and V. We can drag it to where we want. If we wish to just cut, it's Command X, and if you wish to paste that item, again, Command V. Next is duplicate, Command D. This has duplicated our shape as indicated here in our layers panel, but you just need to pull it out. If you wish to undo, it's Command Z, and this will probably be your best friend. If we want to redo what we've just done, it's Command Shift Z. If we want to group some layers together, hold, drag, and click Command G. If you wish to ungroup, Shift, Command G, and it will ungroup for you. If we want to lock a certain layer in place, we want to lock these two, Command Shift L, and that locks the layers in place, so we can move layers around them where we cannot move those exact layers. If you want to unlock them, we can just simply click unlock in our layers panel. Now let's move over to layout and alignment. Our first shortcut is tidy up. We're going to select our layers by holding shift, and we say shift, command, option, and T, and that tidies up our layers for us. If we wish to align, we're going to select our items, and we're going to hold shift, command, option, and we're going to use our arrow keys. If we want to distribute the spacing, we are going to hold shift, option, and our arrow keys, and these will change the sizes of our shapes. If we want to use auto layout, we're going to hold shift and A, and now we have an auto layout frame. We can then use the different options within our side panel on the left to decide how we want this frame to act. Our last section is for prototyping and tips. If we wish to toggle between design and prototype, it's Shift E, and that will provide us with the different features. If we wish to present, Command, Option, and Enter, and that's going to open up our full presenting window. Now on to our bonus tip. If you wish to find anything within Figma, you want to search it, you press Command and the backslash, and this will bring up this panel, and you can actually search for anything you would like. If you wish to switch between files, it is Command Tab, and you're able to jump between. The last shortcut is to show you all the shortcuts. If you want to see all the shortcuts within your Figma file, you can press Shift, Control, and question mark, and that will bring up this bottom layer, which shows you all the shortcuts Figma has has available and is quite useful, particularly when you're new at designing. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember that you can click the link in the description to get your free cheat sheet, and I hope that these help you save time. Catch you in the next one.